It's becoming more and more common for TCL TV screens, Roku, Google, and Android, to turn green at some point. This typically happens when you're trying to stream content from YouTube TV or Netflix. If your TCL TV has a green screen, you need to reset it. Unplug your TV from the wall and wait for 60 full seconds. After the 60 seconds are up, plug your TCL TV back in. This will soft reset your TV and it should fix your green screen. Unplug your TV from the power socket for 30 to 60 seconds. After 30 to 60 seconds, plug in your TV and turn it on. When your TV starts, open the YouTube app to check if you're still getting the green screen issue on your TV. If you're facing green screen issue while using Roku stick, then first remove the Roku stick from the TV. Now unplug both your TV and Roku stick from the wall. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Now plug in the Roku stick into TV and turn on your TV and your Roku stick. Make sure that Roku stick is plugged in properly into the TV. A loose Roku stick connection can cause green screen issue. Go to a local or live TV, antenna feed channel, for a few seconds and then go back to YouTube or any other application on your Roku TV. Now you'll be able to stream online content on Roku without facing the green screen issue on your Roku. You can also get the green screen issue on your Roku TV if there are too many HDMI cables connected to your TV. A faulty HDMI cable connection with your Roku TV can cause the green screen issue on your TV. To fix this, you need to unplug unnecessary HDMI cables from your TV. After unplugging HDMI cables, check if you're still getting the green screen. Go to your Roku TV settings. Scroll down and select the TV inputs option. Select HDMI and then select HDMI mode. Now change it to HDMI 1.4 or HDMI 2.0 and check if this fixes the green problem. You can use HDMI 1.4 and HDMI 2.0 to see which one works for you. Use the Roku remote to go to the home screen. Now go to Roku settings. Now choose the system restart option. Select restart option. Now your Roku player will restart. Press home on your Roku remote to go to the Roku home screen. Scroll down to select Roku settings. Scroll down and select the system. Now go to advanced system settings. Now select the factory reset option. Confirm the factory reset by entering the password. Press the home button on your remote. Press up and go over to settings. Locate the system menu, then click System Update. In this menu, you'll find your TV's current OS version. Select Check Now. The device will automatically check for software updates from this screen.